Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on different kinds of search patterns on SQL string column with the like operator. Like operator is one of the operators that we frequently use in SQL on string column, that is nvarchar or varchar columns. So we usually use the like operator in where class to limit the data. We can use like operator two different wildcards. That is one with percentage and other with underscore. In this demo, I will show what are the different search patterns that we need to search for on a particular column by using the like. So for that, I am taking AdventureWorks 2019 database. There you find production and reproduction, production description is there. Here you observe there are 762 records are there. Description part is there. So I will apply all these different search patterns on this description column. Check the data type of the description column. So it is nvarchar data type with the length of 800 characters. I am applying the different kinds of search patterns on description. For that, I am taking where description like where description like. Suppose I want to search for first two characters, first two letters, that is T, H, and percentage, single quotes. Yeah. If you execute this one, you will get the records having T and H in side by side. That is, so two letters were displayed simultaneously. That is one after other. So first T, otherwise afterwards it's H. See here all the records. So here you find different result will come. We will check what is that. So here you have the TH will come in the mid of the description. So that means if you apply within the square brackets and mention TH, it will pick the TH whatever exists in any place of the column, it will throw. But T and H would be one after other. If you remove the square bracket here, that means now you will get only TH with the starting of the description. So here we have 32 records. Now if you execute, we can't get that much of records. See, just 9 records. So every description starts with the TH. This thread thin like that. So earlier what we mentioned square brackets within the square brackets. So that means it will display TH in the description anywhere in the column. It is 9. Now after removing, we got just 6. Sorry, it is 32. Now earlier after removing square brackets, we got 32. So you can get the result if TH exists anywhere in the description or column of your table. So this is one case, and second one is I am showing here. I am taking one more, changing the TH instead of TH. I am taking A L. So if you execute this one, you will get all the description rows that are starting with AL, you will get completely. So if you remove, even if you remove the square brackets, you will get the same result. 9 records now. You will get same 9 records. So this is one way of searching. And if you mention square brackets and mention hyphen. If you execute this verb, what will happen? So any letter, the description is starting with in between any letter between A and L. So you cannot get the um, description letter starting with after L. That means M, N, O, P, Q. You cannot see. So we will see here. You just mention A hyphen L within square brackets and at the end percentage. So you will check all these letters. So it is in between A and L. Every letter starts. The description of the text starts with A between A and L. Any letter C, H. We cannot see M, N, O, P, Q, all these things because we cannot mention. We want to starting the description starts with L between A and L. It is nothing but between operator. There is no M, N, O, P, Q like that. So this is one way to search pattern. I mentioned again without after removing that hyphen and taking AL, one more A. So you will get the description starts with three all. All means three letters have that is ALL. Every description text will starting with all ALL. See here. So by this way you can also check the description. Now I am taking this another one that is column only. I am taking instead of A hyphen D. A hyphen D followed by F underscore I. F underscore J. So if you execute it, you can get the result. So first letter is always starting with between A and D. So either A or B or C or D. So see here, the first letter always with between A and D. That is, this one is C, this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. And immediately second letter you check between F and J. F and F, S, G, H, I, J. So see here, chromely steel. Chromely steel means H is there. So second letter is between this range, F, I, J. And affordable means F is there. So second letter is between F and J. I means buy down means F between this F and J. H. So if you increase the range K, you will get more results. So there is no K starting with K. I think M. Yeah, you will get more. The first letter is always between A and D, and second letter of the description between F and M. See here. Earlier we don't have this L. Earlier we don't F between F and J. Now we increase the range between F and M, so we can get L also in second letter. So this is the first letter. This first letter is in between A and D, and this is the range of the second letter. And I will show one more description with like pattern. So far we use the percentile at the end. Now we use the percentile in starting search pattern. I am taking percentile here. Immediately I am removing all these things. G between G and so any description that can be end with between G and U. The letter ending with the G and U. So I am executing this one. The range of the you cannot get the letter, only one letter will come, one description record will come. We will check what is there in that. See here, if you, G and E, so the ending letter is the end with S here. We are putting the ending letter between G and U. So here the ending letter with the S. if you decrease the range between R, so you cannot get any English record. I think. So these are the non-English records. Yeah, there is no English record. Or if you change the pattern, search pattern, for end of the letters, instead of G, I am putting F, E and R. You will see what happens. You will get, there is no end. There is no description end with between the E and R letter. Only we have S everything. Yes, yes, we have the same letter what we seen earlier. Yeah, is the same letter. But this H part means if you putting the percentile at first and write the H pattern between E and S, that means the description ends with in between the E and S letters. That is what it means. So here I am taking one more example, same on description. Here I am using percentile in middle. A is the first letter, F is the second, T is the first letter, H is the second letter, and I am using the percentile in between. So after that, I am completing the sentence. I want to complete the sentence with the S letter. Yes, with the letter S and quotation. So if you run this one, the first two letters will be T and D, T and H, and the last letter should be S. If there is any records in the description column, you will get the result. So there is no such records. We will change the logic here. A, F. So here you can get only one record, as we seen earlier. So here the first two letters will be A and F here. A and F. The first two letters A and F. But the last letter should end with S. So this is one type of search pattern. To search the, here I use the wildcard percentile in between the sentence. So earlier we can use either first or last. Now this is I use the wildcard in between the our search pattern letters. Now I am using the last search pattern using the like operator. This is, so here between square brackets I am mentioning the caret symbol. So A comma A hyphen H ending with the wildcard symbol. Now if you execute this one, the starting letter of the description column should not include between A and H letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So these, other than these letters, you can get the result. So see the result. So see here, A and H. Description of all these letters start first letter should not include A and H. Between A and H, you cannot see after H only. You can see the S is after H, T is after H, S V is after H, and W is after H, O is after H. So between A and H, you cannot see any description record starting with A and H. See, M is after H, R, S, T, everything is after H, U. So this is if you increase this one, instead of I am using T, so obviously records will be reduced. So between A and T, records should not be should be excluded. So you will get the result. The starting letter of the description column should not include between A and T. See, V is after P, after T. W is after T. U is after T. Then this is separate. U, everything will be like that. So these are all the non-English. So we cannot identify. If there is any English column, we can filter it for only English records. But obviously, we include the when we say not include between A and T. Obviously, these records will should be covered. So this is one more pattern. So these are the different patterns we can search for as per your logic. You can search. You can use the uh, by using the like operator in between which letters you want to search and starting letters which letters you want to, what is the second letter you want, everything you will get by using this wildcard, by using percentile and the like operator. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.